This segment details the automated construction of a Nuke script using the ingest logic, project-level callbacks, and DCC-based templates. This Nuke script constructor is generated based on the logic that originates in Hero. That logic needs to be set in two places. First, it's implemented as a logic block within the project, as shown here. And second, it's assigned as a callback logic under the Pull Editorial Material panel in the project's tech spec. In addition to the logic, the project settings are also defined. Resolutions we'll be working with, color spaces, FPS, cameras, render, and review resolutions. All the parameters that live inside the tech spec. Using all this information, the Nuke script is generated automatically during the ingest process. Once the ingest process is complete, we can go to Kraken, open the generated script, and see the result. Each plate is loaded into its corresponding read node. The structure follows a template previously loaded via DCC tools, both for plates and references. The frame range matches what was received during ingest. In the Nuke project settings, resolution and frame rate are correct. Looking at the tech spec, we can also confirm that the color management is properly applied. In this case, it's set to a generic ACES Nuke workflow. Write nodes are also generated automatically during ingest. One for the .xr sequence to be delivered, and another for .move files used in supervision. If CDLs and LUTs were added during ingest, they'll be loaded too, as well as any other effect nodes. Position, scale, time warp. Defined in Hero. If the project includes cameras or 3D elements, they can be pulled from the Check Panel tool. There we can check if any new versions are available. For example, if the system detects a new camera that hasn't yet been loaded into the script, we can click Fix, and the camera will be automatically added. This camera will already be configured and synced with the shot's movement, since it comes from a 2D to 3D auto-track process or from external software like Maya. To load 3D elements, we use the Read AOV node, as seen in previous steps. We simply fill in its fields and load a 3D asset, for example, from another episode rendered in Maya. Once loaded, we can preview the render result and extract its render passes using a combination of layer selection inside the node, along with standard compositing methods. In this example, we're extracting the normal pass. With all of this, the Nuke script is fully built, based on a pre-configured template from the DCC menu and using the tech specs defined for the project. To summarize, this entire process is automated as part of the ingest pipeline, resulting in a ready-to-use Nuke script for rendering XR, Move, or anything else required.